gosh, my roof just about blew off this wind. Oh, see my, I don't know, can you see my roof? Okay, it's not blown off, as you can see. I threw a tire up there just for safety's sake. We're having crazy winds. I'm sitting out on the roof right now. It's like, I don't know, 50-mile-an-hour winds. The power went out a while ago. It's not storming, just crazy winds. And I didn't realize that my roof, my metal roof, sorry. I didn't realize my metal roof was not all the way screwed down. That's important. So, I heard this crazy metal crashing, flapping sound and ran upstairs. Thank goodness I was home. And I saw my roof kind of raising up in the wind, which is never a good sight, I tell you. So I ran out to the shed and I got some roofing screws in the drill screw gun thing and went to work putting it back on. It's down. It is down. So I still have a roof. Thank the Lord.